In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a star rating widget in Blogger. If you want to make your blog post more interactive and visually engaging, adding a star rating widget is a simple way to do it. It can help highlight reviews, improve presentation, and make certain types of content feel more polished. The good news is that the process inside Blogger is very straightforward once you know where to click. To begin, open your Blogger dashboard. This is where you manage your blog content, settings, and layout. From the dashboard, click on Posts, then open the article or page where you want the star rating widget to appear. Make sure you choose the exact post you want to edit before moving forward, since the widget code will be added directly into that post's content. Once the post editor is open, look near the top left area of the editor for the View selector. By default, Blogger may open in Compose View, which is designed for regular writing and formatting. Since you'll be inserting a code snippet, you need to switch from Compose View to HTML View. This is important because HTML View allows you to place the code correctly without Blogger changing or reformatting it automatically. After switching to HTML View, go into the text area of your post and paste your copied code snippet. You can place it at the bottom of the post if you want the star rating to appear after the main content, or insert it in another spot depending on where you want the widget to show up. Take a moment here to be careful with placement, especially if your post already contains other HTML. Keeping the code in the right location helps avoid layout issues and makes the final result look cleaner. Once the code has been added, click Preview to check how everything looks. This step is worth doing every time because it lets you confirm that the star rating widget appears in the correct position and that it matches the rest of your post layout. If something looks off, you can go back into HTML View and adjust the placement before publishing. When you're happy with the result, click Publish if it's a new post, or Update if you're editing an existing one. That saves your changes and makes the star rating widget live on your Blogger site. And that's it. With just a few quick edits in the Blogger editor, you can successfully add a star rating widget to your post and give your content a more interactive, professional look.